Yemo bibi akwaba na yemfa wo emra GH Live Studio on YouTube and and you bring you all the amazing content for your local footballer, especially the Black Stars of Ghana and then our national teams and Krobio Kumasi, Asante Kotoko. And yes, just saying, yeah, Baby Krobio Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, Hunkawa, ahead of the Premier League game, I also baby Yeni, and training ɛkɔ so ɛnra ana ɛndɛ training na yɛde yɛni ɛnso ɛkɔhwɛ yɛ no yɛde mu update ɛde ba injuries update players a wɔn recover from injuries yɛde mu nkɔmɔ nyinaa ɛnso ɛde ɛblɔ transfers ho nkɔmɔ kakra bi yɛde bɛwura mu ɛnso ɛde ama wɔn na bibia ɛnso ɛtumi ayɛ kama medin ɛde nana ba kwame gracious wode wohyɛ mu abɔnten a na wafrɛ me gracious mmɛgye so kama ɛnso ɛtumi ɛde amaman kizito ɔno nso ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔno nso ɛmonitor nneɛma ɛma nneɛma ɛnso ɛtumi ɛkɔ so yie kama ɛnso ɛwɔ nti wohwɛ videos a ɛtwa gu ɛwɔ screen so a ɛno ɛyɛ Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɔmo training grounds na yɛtwa mu mfonyin anaasɛ videos ɛde mauna preparation towards the game a ɛbɛkɔ so ɛwɔ baabi Gold Stars ɛne Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko game no ɛnyɛ easy na before no memfa wie nwuram Ghana Premier League 2025-2026 season no mene wo ka sɛ nkɔmɔ a yɛtete ɛne sɛ from next season ɛdekɔ in 5 years time no we are getting information say there will be a what do you call it a TV right TV right best try your football no at the amaya and information gathering now and I say Star Times and omo ebetwa the Premier League from next season and so at the call within 5 years time and I'm hearing say there will be 6 million euros or Ghana cedis or dollars. I know any information that we are gathering from there. I will confirm the amount well, the currency. I confirm, and so it will be the amount. So Star Times will be the official, main kind of say official TV right broadcast or TV broadcast to broadcast the Premier League next season. I don't know if the MTN FA Cup is also part of it, but I'm hearing it's only the Premier League. So if MTN FA Cup is part, I'll bring it out for you to know. Now, Brantian Walid, Neymar, Fusini, and Infonyini and a screen sono and Meno say it getting to 100%. Now Nkobodidiro and so I okay between Kotoko and a Abrantia Walid, Fusini and Swabusia and so and Temekabusiana from the agents, the family, if so, or someone who accept Neymar, many papamo. You have to accept everything before say the banner ever join the Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and commodity highly can say a cosro and commodity a cosro pa. So the possibility said next season this guy will be part of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and also a very high. Young them na yamfa update to inform when say Aziz Dari or a goalkeeper and so at the Emma Bechem United information gathering now and say next season the possibilities are plenty and so Babe joining the goalkeeping departments of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so a high but before just a goalkeeper be I'm hearing say Branty and the and so is it Benjamin Chum? Benjamin Chum is not part of Kotoko now because the whole of this week, or may trainer, and I'm hearing some news. I don't want to bring it out now unless send me confirmation from a painful and Sana Mediababante, but he is not part of the team right now. If someone your partner say goalkeeper Frank Asare nso bɛkɔ deɛ a ɛneɛ ɛwɔ sɛ goalkeeper ne din so ɛde Aziz Dari Haruna osi n'akan ɛde ɛma Bechem United no obetumi ajoine Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana yɛde mu update more so etimi ɛde ɛbro efiri GH Live Studio. GH Live Studio. Onya subscribe ya, I'll beg your pardon. Say over subscribe channel no and so edi amayen na jumadi no and so etimi akoye kama and so edi amayen ho and then recovery training on Tuesday recovery training on a course so after say crop your Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nso ɛte na fie na ɔmo ɛhyɛ dreams fc ɛka nan a ɔmo etimi ɛte saa ɛka ne mu baako ɛwɔ hɔnom aberante a ne din ɛde Kwame Poku Bobre sɛ wɔ hɔnom Albert Amoa with a goal and aberante a ne din ɛde Wisdom Basi Fernando nso ɛde baako ka ɔno recovery ne kɔ so there are a lot of players a yɛma ɔmo ɛrest yɛ especially Samba Onel Albert Amoa Patrick Esiedu, all these players no yama omo erasti ye Lord Amoa a lot of players are yema omo erasti ne enye training gidi bia and so our training ground so ne I was say omo erasti ahead of the other days training because any the crucial gamer because on Sunday baby dance park now training no and so so come on now and training no only say pressing passes and then recoveries and so also I was say Kotoko within some short seconds team no every 18 hours within 30 seconds to 1 minute I was say team no drew the final third of the opponent and then coach Abdul Karim Zito and Nemkrano and so a Juma ye pana and Sampa Unel ain't me on your training because he was a bit resting yes now when to me your training or yeah full training at the Kotoko Andrews in team Ben full training yesterday he wasn't part of the training session that caused Patrick Esiedu was resting yesterday and today and training or yeah who Juma Kama and so at the Macrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Lord Amoa Enra or yeah full trainer but and Lord Amoa to me and your full trainer and farmer Kotoko and Juma and the Lord Amoa yeah was physicals and not only the physical trainer pow papa now omo physicals Samuel thing to do is injured. A brand okay, but not physicals and so air coso the side. Albert Amoa personal training to tumri kakra, then on physical trainer and so etime Juma kakra. Isaac Minta and so started the physicals and personal training so personal training for him. Emmanuel entry no training and the rest of the players who are Branty and Benjamin Chum Efrima, the rest of the players full train defenders no so and the three goalkeepers in the by and midfielders they trained they did everything as a summer year but the coaching was teaching them how to press and so the rest of the matches are and also akana ohwe how coach Abdul Karim Zito edi enkrano efa training mu na bibia say the system of the coach the philosophy and everything we don't want to bring it out but the coach ekire omo training grounds omo te ne oyena say and or the need any thing any seriousness and a room this time if say a cooling break for the players now I was some called numusu numerous kakra you see them say omo at jogging and a airco don't see them walking or something different yes Zito the discipline Zito and the team biaba players no aside you don't see Baba ya ahoɔden bebree but this time ɔmo ɛkyerɛ ɔmbɔbrɛ Asare is doing well at training grounds. Asare is doing well our training ground saves Ahodwa or yeah, the same as Mohammed Kamara and the Fatal Said guy no. Abranti and the Vetos are vocal, the youth player no. Every day I will talk about this boy. The guy is really good. The boy is really good. And ono nso gu so a ɔno ɛyɛ training ɛte ɛma Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nom. Mpanyinfoɔ no nso bɛ monitor nneɛma ɛhwɛ yɛ Malik Jabel na ɔwɔ around ɔ monitor training grounds nso ɛma biribiara ɛnso timi ɛyɛ kama. And so I call him Coach Prince. Yeah, also was also there. And all the technical staffs in England. Now almost so almost I'm hearing said tomorrow there will be a friendly game, or just Thursday. Every Thursday there is a friendly game, and so also there will be a friendly gamer, and also everything me also training grounds ahead of dreams. Baby Go Stars gamer. And also ebitimi akọ wɔ hɔ no subscribe to the channel just click on the subscribe oboso wi a na wa subscribe abɛka busuakuo no opɛ o join the WhatsApp group 055 71 55505 or +233 5571 55505 na bibibia enso entimi enye kama Man United manema nkoyi amfa ma mobetemo fa nsa no ti ma me boss aboto papa man Kizito aboto pa ye obetimi no comment aba wadwen kire na me kan Fabra nefa obibia enso etimi eto hɔ no subscribe share like na bibia entumi enye kama medin Edit Nana Kwame Gracious update from Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp training and the transfers and amatimi ayahu adwuma and so edi amount wo ho me da se bia unya bre na ohwe ye videos ni yankopon onhiraw na onye wakoma so adi nyina enso entimi fama me do besi ase na the next episode of Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko no enso aba wakwem me da se unya bre na ohwe